Welcome to the video on creating video content using generative AI. After watching this video, you'll be able to create personalized learning materials using generative AI tools. You'll be able to identify the capabilities and limitations of generative AI in video content creation. You'll also be able to describe the best practices for creating educational videos, explain how to plan effective video content, and list pedagogical strategies to integrate video content using generative AI. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way content creators produce videos. Leveraging advanced machine learning models, creators can generate realistic, engaging, and interactive videos without traditional video production resources. Generative AI has opened endless creative possibilities, from automating video editing tasks for creating synthetic videos. Generative AI-powered video creation tools come with customizable avatars, allowing consistent and engaging presenters. The virtual avatars look like humans and speak multiple languages. These tools can convert text into natural speech, leveraging easy voiceover creation and video narration. Generative AI video creation tools can also generate visual elements, such as images, animations, and charts, to support video content. It also provides customizable templates that can be tailored with different styles and layouts. However, generative AI video content creation has certain limitations. It lacks natural movement of the elements or characters, showing stiffness. It also struggles to generate complex interactions between characters or objects in video. It is challenging to create advanced animations or visual effects. Generative AI video creation tools cannot generate spontaneous responses, requiring pre-programmed algorithms and data. You can create appealing videos by applying certain best practices, such as content structure, script concerns, and engagement principles. Let's look at these best practices one by one. First, to create a well-defined content structure, identify clear learning objectives, defining what learners will learn after watching the video. Next, organize the content logically and sequentially, recalling the previous concepts. Keep the content clear and concise, avoiding unnecessary jargon and complexity. Lastly, pay attention to the video duration to keep learners' attention. Your script should be conversational to make content more engaging and reliable. Use active voice to make content direct and impactful. Keep the script's content simple so each learner can understand the concepts. Add frequent summaries of key concepts throughout the video to reinforce learning and improve retention. You can follow certain engagement principles, such as breaking the content into short segments to retain learners' attention. Focus on a single concept at a time so learners don't get overwhelmed with excessive information. Use animations, diagrams, and visual effects to highlight key points for improving learners' understanding. Adding clear transitions between concepts helps learners to follow the content flow. For planning effective content, identify pre-production elements of the video content, such as defining the learning goals and objectives for the video content. Next, outline the key points and concepts that need to be covered in the video and identify the visual elements, such as animations, images, and motion graphics, to support the content. Next, start writing clear and concise video scripts with interesting facts or strong hooks to capture learners' attention. Present important concepts and ideas easily and organized, including examples and applications, allowing learners to understand the concepts in real-world situations. Conclude the video with the key takeaways and give a quick review of the covered content in the video. Integrating video content with instructional strategies by aligning learning outcomes with key skills or concepts so that the learners get the maximum impact from the generative AI videos. For example, adding interactive case studies, activities, or questions allows learners to analyze the video content and enhance their critical thinking skills. AI-generated videos are ideal for blended learning models, where digital content supports and extends traditional classroom teaching. You can include AI-generated videos in the lesson plans by using them as a post-lesson review. For example, assign a video as a self-study to the learners to introduce a new topic and discuss it in the next class to strengthen their concept understanding. This approach helps engage learners and enhances face-to-face learning. Additionally, combine videos with interactive quizzes or group activities to encourage dynamic and integrative learning environments. Let's consider certain tips for implementing generative AI video in education. Start with a small, manageable project and gradually iterate and improve over time. Initially, Assign videos to a small audience to gain feedback and improvement ideas. Combine videos as a part of a broader learning experience, complementing it with other materials and activities. In this video, you've learned how to use generative AI for creating videos. Generative AI helps to create endless creative possibilities by leveraging advanced machine learning models. Generative AI video generation tools have customizable avatars, multilingual speech, and easy voiceover creation, and can convert text into speech. It lacks the natural movement of characters and complex interactions, and cannot generate spontaneous responses. Well-defined content structure, script concerns, and engaging principles help to generate effective generative AI videos. You can plan effective content by identifying pre-production elements and creating organized content. Aligning content with learning outcomes and implementing blended learning models supports and extends traditional classroom training. For implementing AI-generated videos in education, start with small and manageable content, assign videos to a small audience, and combine videos for a broad learning experience.